All right, welcome to this video walkthrough. Second floor, 1-bedroom in the Allston, Brighton area of Boston. As soon as we walk in, we have this closet to the right, sliding door closet. All right, it's not very deep, but it is pretty wide. And it opens up to this living room, open concept living room, all right. Closet over here, decent sized closet. And they've installed some little shelves there, some makeshift shelves. This is the rear of the building, all right. So facing some trees, some buildings, some more trees. All right, let's scoop around. Okay, to the bathroom. So it looks like it has been somewhat recently updated. You got some nice fresh finishes there. Vanity, shower, tub combo, sink, and a toilet. Some faux hardwood floor. Okay, here's the bedroom. Okay, the windows are facing the rear of the building as well. Fix that. All right, and there is a closet here in the corner. Pretty decent size. All right, the heat and hot water are included in the unit. All right, there's laundry in the basement in the rear of the building. Here's the kitchen. All right, off to the side of the kitchen is this little nook where you could easily set up a little counter for some space and some storage. All right, we got a little gas stove, air vent, cabinets up top, sink, more cabinets below. Okay, we have a stainless steel fridge here. Okay, and then a window off to the side overlooking the courtyard in the middle of the building. As I said, heat and hot water are included. You're pretty much right on the Greenline. Great location, great price. If you need any more info, contact me, Angel, at lmcrealtyboston.com. Hope you enjoyed the video tour and hope to be working with you soon.